Alrighty folks, today's video we are going to be showing you a traditional Appalachian Thanksgiving. And by that I mean years ago that was a tradition. Come Thanksgiving, the old people they would get together with friends and they would kill hogs, and that would get them meat through the winter, on through the summer, on into fall the next year there. And just letting you know, there are going to be dead animals in this. So if that's something you don't want to see, if you would, just go ahead and turn it off now. Just a warning ahead of time. Now these animals, they are raised well, treated good. They only have one bad day in their life. Alrighty. Now what we're doing here, folks, they are scalding it. The hog has already been dispatched, and you put it in this water. Jason likes to have it around 157, I believe. And you can see him working the fence back and forth. The hog is in there, and that is just to loosen the hair up for when they go to scrape it right here. You take the hair off of it and clean it up there to where it's all down the skin. Now folks, don't get me wrong, it's hard work, but it's very rewarding, and you get to hear old stories and stuff. That young gentleman you see standing to the right there, Lord, he's killed a many a hog throughout these years there. We're taking buckets of cold water to pour into the vat right now to cool the water back down a little bit. Now these hogs here, now they were huge, folks. This one here, I believe it weighed 623 pounds when they weighed it there. Now Jason, he has a beautiful place. You just look out through yonder at that view. And as you can see over there, young and old, everybody gets involved. Take a look there at Gus. He's learning this here. One day he'll be doing all this. Alrighty, you can see them there now. They're hanging the sides of the hogs up there into the cool room. Let the heat get out of the meat. They'll stay good and chilled up in there. You can see they was a handful. They was heavy. But look inside there. There's the reward. Jason will have a bunch of meat to work out, and look at that there. Tenderloin and biscuits. As we leave here today, folks, we'll show you a little bit more of that view. Now, this video did not go into detail, but I will have Carolyn leave in the description. We did a video a couple years ago on this here, and you can go into the description on it and go to whatever part you need to see. Jason helped us make a great video on that. I hope everybody has a blessed day and a great weekend. Y'all stay safe. Lord willing, be seeing you Monday. Thank you again for watching.